In a groundbreaking move to enhance tourism ties, Russia and India are set to begin consultations on a bilateral agreement to ease travel plans between the two nations. This significant development was revealed by Nikita Kondratev, Director of the Department of Multilateral Economic Cooperation at the Russian Economic Development Ministry. India is at the final stage of internal state coordination, Nikita said, highlighting that the initial discussions on a draft agreement are scheduled to take place in June this year. The aim is to finalize and sign this agreement by the end of the year. Russia and India are set to strengthen their tourism ties as they gear up for the launch of visa-free group tourist exchanges. The first round of consultations between the two nations is scheduled for June to finalize a bilateral agreement by the end of the year. This initiative marks a pivotal moment in Russia-India relations, aiming to boost tourism and facilitate easier travel for groups between the two countries. The move is a part of a broader strategy by Russia to replicate the success of its visa-free tourist exchanges already established with China and Iran. Russia and China initiated their visa-free group tourist exchange on August 1st last year. Similarly, a visa-free group tourist exchange between Russia and Iran commenced on the same date, ushering in a new era of tourism operation. In a move set to potentially boost tourism between India and Russia, the two nations are gearing up for a significant dialogue that could pave the way for the visa-free tourist exchanges. These talks, reported by Sputnik, are scheduled to commence in June to significantly boost tourism flows between the countries. If successful, this initiative could mark a significant milestone in strengthening the ties between India and Russia. At the Kazan Forum 2024, Nikita highlighted the progress in talks on group visa-free trips, expressing confidence in the potential agreement. We are in the final stages of internal coordination with the Indian delegation and are set to discuss a draft agreement soon. I anticipate that the initial consultations will take place in June to deliberate on the draft agreement to sign it by the end of the year. The prospective agreement with India is poised to unlock fresh opportunities for travelers, deepen cultural interactions, and strengthen economic relations between the historically collaborative nations. As we await the outcome of these promising discussions, the future of travel between India and Russia looks brighter, promising enriched experiences and stronger connections between the people of these two great nations.